Kia ora, car enthusiast community. Welcome back to Talbot's Auckland Auto Detailing. If you've got leather seats in your car, you know how luxurious they feel, but without proper care, they can start to look worn out and faded. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and condition your leather seats at home to keep them looking and feeling like new. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need: a dedicated leather cleaner, a leather conditioner, soft microfiber cloths, and a soft bristle brush. These products are gentle on leather, but effective in removing dirt and grime. Let's start with cleaning. Properly maintaining your leather seats not only keeps them looking great, but also extends their lifespan. Spray the leather cleaner directly onto the seat or onto a microfiber cloth, depending on the product instructions. Make sure to use a cleaner specifically designed for leather to avoid any damage. Gently work the cleaner into the leather using circular motions, focusing on any dirty or stained areas. This helps to lift dirt and grime from the surface without being too abrasive. For tougher spots or textured areas, use a soft bristle brush to agitate the cleaner and lift dirt out of the grain of the leather. This is especially useful for areas that see a lot of wear and tear. Be gentle to avoid damaging the material. Leather can be delicate, and too much pressure can cause scratches or other damage. Once you've cleaned the entire seat, use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess cleaner and residue. This step ensures that no cleaner is left behind to attract more dirt. Make sure the surface is dry before moving on to conditioning. Allowing the leather to dry completely helps the conditioner to be absorbed more effectively, providing better protection and a longer-lasting finish. Now it's time to condition the leather. This step is essential for maintaining the longevity and appearance of your car's interior. Apply a small amount of leather conditioner to a microfiber cloth and gently massage it into the leather. Make sure to use a circular motion to ensure even distribution. Conditioning is crucial because it replenishes the natural oils in the leather, preventing it from drying out and cracking. This not only keeps the leather looking new, but also extends its lifespan. Work the conditioner evenly across the seat, making sure to cover all areas, including seams and edges. Pay special attention to high wear areas, as they tend to dry out faster. Avoid oversaturating the leather. A little goes a long way. Excess conditioner can make the leather sticky and attract dirt. Allow the conditioner to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to fully absorb into the leather. This waiting period is crucial for maximum effectiveness. This will help to maintain the leather's softness and suppleness. Regular conditioning keeps the leather flexible and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring it remains comfortable and visually appealing for years to come. After the conditioner has had time to absorb into the leather, take a clean microfiber cloth and gently buff the leather to a nice, even finish. Make sure to use circular motions to ensure an even distribution. This step not only enhances the leather's natural shine, but also helps distribute the conditioner evenly, ensuring that every part of the seat is treated. For added protection, you can apply a leather protectant spray. This will create a barrier to shield the seats from UV rays, spills, and everyday wear and tear. This is especially important if your car is frequently exposed to sunlight, as UV rays can cause the leather to fade and crack over time. Regular maintenance will keep your seats looking new and prolong their lifespan. And there you have it. Simple steps to clean and condition your leather seats at home. With regular care, your seats will stay looking luxurious and feeling comfortable for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing. For professional premium car grooming services, please contact Talbot's Auckland Auto Detailing, your most reliable car detailing specialist in town.